Here I am at a trail called Sloan's Furnace. Gonna take a little ride down it and see what it's like. Well, I've heard a lot about Sloan's Furnace. I've heard a lot about Sloan, and all of it was good. Let's take a ride down the trail and see what it's like. Sloan's Furnace is a great downhill trail with sculptured berms on the switchbacks. It starts on top of Sunset Hill and joins Retreat Trail on the way back to the trailhead. Freefall, another trail, starts at the same place on top of Sunset Hill and then joins up with Sloan's Furnace about halfway down toward Retreat. Sloan's Furnace is not a very long trail, but it sure is a fun trail. You may notice that I'm not flying around the berms on the switchbacks. That's because I don't trust my tires, my bike, or my ability to take them at high speed. I rode some of these trails over here a couple of months ago with a young man that rides on one of the school mountain bike teams. He knew how to take these berms and these switchbacks at high speed. He was pretty amazing. Just in case you don't know it, the McClellan Trail System has got some fine downhill runs. And here's some of my favorites. Retreat Trail, from where it starts at Whack to the trailhead, is probably the longest downhill and maybe my favorite. The east side of Yorktown is short and curvy and weaves through the trees and is just a real hoot. Riding the two-star Betty Trail clockwise is rewarded with a great downhill. And either half of Sunrise Hill is a good run. Maybe the right side from the top is better, but either is good. At McClellan, you're always climbing or being rewarded after the climb with a great downhill. It's just that fact that makes this trail system so very popular with all the riders. The ride down Sloan's Furnace Trail only lasts about 5 minutes, but it sure is a fun 5 minutes. Any serious mountain biker would be honored to have his name put on this trail because it is a great trail.
Wow, that was sweet. Sloan's Furnace is one awesome trail.